wife.
My beautiful wife. And our sunny boy.
Ariel.
And let's eat.
Ooh la la.
Okay, I need to show them. I know that you saw it close in person, but you see this beauty. We buy it in TNT.
Yeah, looking
I
good.
just have to start right.
You wanted to try this salmon?
Yeah.
Take it sideways. In the middle. In the middle. In the middle.
Can you get
Yeah.
it out?
I'll do my
I know.
personal best. Get it out.
And I can't get this
Sheesh.
one out either.
Wait. Give me a plate. Which one do you want? Which
He
one do you
wants to
want now?
try one
this
next
one
to
is
the
one.
other.
Oh man. Where are you
Oh
going?
man.
I'm gonna go get a fork and a spoon because it's impossible.
Yeah, you should.
Oh, they are hard to get. Okay, I got the sort of the rice.
So sort of the rice, sort of the.
Oh, and sort of there's.
Do we have ginger in here?
Yep.
Yeah.
Where?
Sorry, but I couldn't help.
No, this one. That's tuna, right?
Yes, this is tuna, definitely.
You want tuna? No, maybe I want salmon.
Oh, I never tried tuna.
You want to try tuna?
I wanted to.
I always wanted to try raw tuna. Well, not always, actually. I actually never even knew you can. Well, I knew that, but.
No, tuna. What?
Look at my face.
Well, I'm trying.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I'm trying.
Why was it?
Alrighty, game you that?
I
Is
don't
this
know.
the
I
second time?
don't mind the tuna. If you want the tuna, take it. Try it.
Is this the second time I ever enjoyed raw salmon?
Yeah.
Yeah, second. The first time was all of a sudden in a mukbang. I decided to try it and I liked it. But I still understand why I didn't like it before.
And a bit wasabi. How's tuna?
Ginger.
Oh, there's
I
more
love it
ginger.
so much.
Take the ginger. There's more ginger. Oh!
You look all the ginger?
Oh, I got it all.
Funny.
It's funny, isn't it?
You're funny.
I'm
I'm
gonna
not
try
sure
this
where to
salmon.
put it.
I don't know.
Right now, only my friend, only now at 10 years old,
Try the
he's
first
a
step.
year younger than me. I'm 11 at the time being. Oh. Anyways, he first time ever tried California. Like, California for the U.S. and Canada is the first one kids try, but at 10 years old, that's kind of late. Like like it surprised me when I heard that you
Well-
never even tried it before.
Is that his first sushi ever?
Yeah, never.
We have a joke here that if the child, bless you.
I too.
Do you have more? Yeah, I have more. If the child tries, like, misses sushi after he comes back from Greece or whatever, it means that he's true boy that grew up in Vancouver.
Yeah.
I think we have more sushi places than any place on the in the world, or very close to it.
Sushi is amazing.
I think
this
even
is-
more than Japan themselves.
And this
And that's the
is,
funny part.
as you understand, Americanized sushi. It's not authentic.
No, that's impossible. Because a lot of Japanese restaurants are owned by Koreans.
Korean in our area, which Ariel is totally right. A lot of Japanese places and sushi bars owned by Korean people, which I totally agree. It's really nice.
Oh wow. Wasabi is mighty strong.
It's called nose strong.
Yeah.
Well, the other salmon. I want to try. There's two types of
My
salmon.
favorite is this type and this type.
Oh,
This type.
sorry.
I think they're the same. And tuna. I like the tuna.
You want one of these ones? The orange or the red? Which one do you
I'll
want?
take the red.
Okay.
Actually, I'll take the orange. Thanks.
Yours? And you have to see, this is so cool.
Oh God.
This is chopped scallop, I think. It's wonderful.
Oh, so much wasabi.
I love all of it.
Oh, look at this one. Ooh. Just kidding.
We love, as well, we love affordability of this sushi. In here. What do you think?
Do you like the orange chips? Do you want the red ones?
Sure. Do they taste different?
I don't know.
You know what?
Oh, so good.
I've never been big fan of simple, kappa sushi or tamago, egg
Me
sushi.
neither.
But since the last times, me and Ariel really enjoyed it.
Yeah.
You know, try it. It's such a fresh and
Oh.
I did.
did.
The tail?
Isn't it amazing, fresh and
How many pieces are there altogether? Did you count?
we try to count.
I think 60. And this is mango green tea.
Very nice one. All of us have.
Do you taste the mango?
Definitely.
Yep.
Definitely.
Very subtle,
Ooh,
but definitely present.
I like it. It's very nice and subtle. Like I was afraid that there was gonna be like a strong mango-y kind of chemical-y taste.
No, this is organic tea, so they don't
Yeah.
add
So it would be
artificial flavoring.
By most part.
You have to check. They want the shrimpy finger? Want to try it?
The kappa one.
There you go. Anything else you want to take? This is dynamite. And this is California.
This is California too.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So good.
Yum. We went today to what's the name? Old Navy, and we found hoodies.
three
For all of
matching
us.
ones.
Matchy one. So now we're matchy one. We never had anything matchy.
No, we have one shirt.
That-
Me and
that-
you, yes, but,
but
not
not with
all
our-
of us.
No. Now all of us have the same shirt.
It's funny, now we have matching hoodie. So excited. But this sushi rocks. Do you want the shrimpy thingy?
I
Take
don't
this
mind.
one.
I don't. Here.
Neither do I. Do you want the salmon? I don't know. I don't mind what you eat. They're all the same to me. What do you want?
Egg. I know that
The
it's not
tamago
your,
one?
yeah, it's not your favorite.
I like the tamago inside something. I don't. You can have them. I know you love it, so we'll give Victoria an egg. You know,
Because someone loves
she gets
eggs.
all excited. Oh, sushi is the best. We love sushi.
I know.
Apparently I didn't even need the fork and spoon.
It was totally unpredictable. We're in the mall, trying to cross it, passing near TNT. Like,
Regina asked me, do you have something like prepared for the dinner or do you have idea? What to cook? I said, not really. I said, let's go to TNT, let's see what they have.
and I had those 3 trays of sushi, and those two just said, winked at us and says,
Take me. Take me.
and we're like, oh, yeah. Okay, let's take them. So good. Love sushi. Sushi's the best.
Oh my.
Which one did you like most today?
I don't know. I like all of
I
them.
think my favorite was actually the dynamite today.
Take dynamite. Here.
Yeah, I'll take it.
Do you want dynamite? I have some dynamite.
I have.
I think I'll have only this one as my last
Do you
one.
want dynamite?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want both of them?
Yeah. Give him.
No, you can have
I'm
the
totally
dynamite.
okay. I'm not.
Here, have this one.
You have this one. I'm good.
You do you want the shrimpy one?
I want not this one.
Well, did
Alright.
you like the scallop one?
I like the scallop one. I love scallops.
I don't want to take too much wasabi.
Be careful.
Mm.
With wasabi on the nose.
Salmon? Salmon?
Yes, please. Yeah. Thank you. I'm trying to do the right way. Not to dip rice in the, but it's never.
Oh, you're not supposed to dip the rice?
No.
No, you're
You
supposed
need
to dip
the
just the
fish.
tip of the fish. Just
Ow.
a little bit.
Well, actually, if the rice falls off, I just dip the rice in.
Oh, yes, damn it.
Yeah, watch this Japanese guy explaining how to eat sushi properly.
No.
I was like, oh man.
You actually watched it?
I know. Can't believe it.
She showed me.
I know. I was like, oh man, so many rules.
Just I'm guessing Facebook.
It wasn't too much rules.
No, but you know,
I love when he said in the end.
just
He said, and then enjoy your sushi and eat it as you like, because
exactly because you
Because
know,
it's impossible to follow the
if
rules.
you follow every rule of how you're supposed to do and eat things, oh man.
yeah.
Delicious.
Take off wasabi. No wasabi.
I will take a napkin and clean it.
Yeah.
Otherwise it will be too much.
Their California is delicious.
You know what? Their California always delicious. I don't know what they do there.
And the dynamite's actually really good. Actually, next time I will ask
I
for
think
some dynamite.
it's amount of filling versus the sushi. Sushi is very like rice. I think that this is
Absolutely.
they always have a lot of fillings inside their sushi.
The only thing is that they're different Californias, and this one has cuke, but not avocado. A bunch of them have avocado. So what's the salmon? Take the salmon. Do you want-
No, I'm good.
What? You done?
Yeah,
No, that's not possible.
I have cup. You know what? Out of all of them, the shrimp one is not my favorite. Usually.
I can't.
I'm trying to get... Oh, come on. I tried to take the tail off.
The nose.
Yeah, I can't. I can't get
okay.
Do you want to... You want help?
the. Yeah.
I can set it up on... He's right. Get over with the rice and enjoy the last of this piece of salmon.
I like sashimi.
But you know, I really struggled with the rice and stuff as well.
I think I told that story, but after I tried first time sushi, and my mom tried it, she couldn't believe. She said, "Oh, it's just the novelty of it. You will never eat it. It's not nice." Oh my, she was wrong.
And also, it's expensive in Israel.
Yeah, but not because it was expensive, but because it was like, oh, novelty, oh, you this, you that. And then I saw it, like, I tried first time sushi in London, and then I saw it in Israel, and I bought it. And my mom said, oh, no, you're not going to eat them, you're not this, you're not that. And Oh boy. Until this day, it's my favorite. And she actually doesn't like sushi so much.
Well, we also had friends, so when we bought our car, they said, oh, you're never going to travel, you just talk about traveling and visiting places, don't going to travel so much and go to places.
Yeah, right.
Well, that was wrong too.
In the end, you will sit in the...
And home. Oh, battery. Okay, I think we're still okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, we're still good. It's the battery pack, it says.
Yeah.
Yeah, so, and you'll just stay at home and just don't go to any places. That was wrong too.
Yeah, right.
That was wrong
Yeah,
too.
they said, oh, in the end you will find yourself sitting next to the TV, watching TV, and will never go anywhere. And I said,
Big thing, we don't have a TV.
yeah, so we don't have a
Tell the
TV.
secret. That's fun.
One.
One.
You know what? I'll take one.
One.
Let's take
And
one,
what?
one. Cheers, guys.
You can leave it.
Cheers.
To
cheers.
sushi.
To true sushi lovers
And travel.
in travel.
We dip in soy sauce and you.
I never dip in soy sauce.
No, you think it's overpowering. You can say the same with wasabi though.
Oh yeah, you want some ginger? I know
Yes.
I don't like wasabi.
But you can say the same thing with wasabi. It's the flavor is so strong. Not that just that it's spicy like hot sauce. It's like there's flavor. There's like a very powerful, strong flavor. You can't say
That goes to the nose.
Same about it.
True.
I heard that the original wasabi, the one that, like in, because it's root, you know, it looks like green root. And they grate it next to the table. It's actually not too spicy. It have some other flavors to them. It's spicy, but not as much as this one that we eat, because this is horseradish, basically.
I like
Colored horseradish.
That's unfortunate. I love horseradish though. That was delicious.
Thank
We
you
enjoyed?
so very much for the
Oh,
idea.
you like the tea?
Yeah, a lot.
I really love
Thank you
the tea.
so much for the idea.
Oh, you're welcome. It's always
So
my pleasure.
tasty.
Let's eat. Dinner served.
Okay, the battery died in the end.
And then,
So yeah, again, don't forget to subscribe, rate us a comment, thumbs up us.
And cheers, love in life. And remember, go towards your joy and do something fun every day. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.